All right, senior trekkers, we're back here for day 3 of our big hike in the Great Smoky Mountains. Today we plan to go to the Grotto Falls. However, after the horrendous injury of yesterday to me, I'm gonna be unable to do that hike. I know many of you are wondering, what could possibly be behind this? Let me tell you that story. Well, we were heading back from Charles Bunyan Lookout, that word, you know. And we're probably a mile down the road. All of a sudden, we hear a sound, and behind us, we see a bear coming at us. Well, we did what you're not supposed to do. We started running. We probably ran for probably half a mile, probably 50 yards. And the bear was gaining on us pretty good. Now, Mark, the guy with the bad hip that couldn't run, he had outrun me and was ahead of me. And what? He's supposed to be the one that's gonna be my bear decoy, but he's ahead. And the next thing you know, the bear reaches down with his paw and trips me. I fall to the ground, and I'm thinking, well, this is it for me. But I fell so hard on the ground started shaking. That bear thought it was an earthquake, got scared and ran away. Now that is a true story. Kinda. Well, maybe not at all. But anyway, the result is the same. I have a scraped and sore knee and a sore hip, and I can't hike today. But the luxury ladies have graciously decided to do today's hike. No, it's not through a shoe store. And don't tell them that either. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take it off. We're not gonna take it off. We're gonna go right to the luxury ladies hike. See ya. Here are the luxury ladies planning for their first big hike. I don't know what the name of the trail is right there, but there's one that starts by that big Great Smoky Mountain National Park sign. It looks like it's a pretty easy hike. It's a very good beginner hike. Something to try just to get going.
I know. I think this is that's the bridge right there.
I see the bigger bridge when I'm getting it. It's me, it's my glutes. Right there.
Oh wow, there's steps there.
here's another hike that they did of the Ephraim Bales farm. 2 hikes? Yes, they are quite the overachievers, aren't they? The video ends about right here, but due to a technical difficulty operator error, which is very common among our group of people, this is gonna do it for this hike. That concludes our stay here at the Great Smoky Mountains Part 2. We've had a great time, except for one incident. We did 3 hikes, of which I did 2, but those 2 hikes were very strenuous, just what I needed for my next adventure. That brings me to my next adventure. I'm going on a trek to Mount Everest Base Camp. Yes, I know, I'm crazy. But it's a 55+ trek, so I don't have to worry about the young people running off and leaving me. I'll just have to worry about the old people running off and leaving me. So, come along with me and watch the adventure unfold. I hope I survive. There's not a lot of internet up there, so I don't know when I'll be able to upload the videos, but check in from time to time to see. So, until next time, I'm Gene with the Senior Trekker. Oh, I'll leave you with this. Here's what we saw on our way back from Cherokee.